And I got my next box from Days United in the mail, and so we're going to look at that. And I love this color. This is for Sukkot, and so Sukkot is a fall holiday, and it's also called the Feast of Tabernacles. And so we're going to open up the box and look and see what's in here. I love their packaging, how they it's the same every time, and it always includes a little book that talks about the holiday and about some of the things you do and the history behind it. So I love that. And this one talks about Simchat Torah and how it's part of the new rereading of the Torah, and it shows that there are 8 activities in this box that we'll do. And so let's see what else is in here. It's always held nicely in place. So first we've got some Sukkot calendar stickers, and we did get a calendar last time with our Rosh Hashanah box. And so maybe that's what those are for. I'm not sure, but they're a lot of fun. And it even includes here Columbus Day and Halloween and a few other things, and a little sukkah and the decorations that go in that. And so it looks like there's a competition, a sukkah competition. And so I'll have to read about that, because my daughter Kate and we've created a little miniature Barbie size sukkah, and so we'll get that out and decorate that, and of course I'll show you that in another video. So this is invite Ushpizen to your sukkah. So let's see what's in here. Oh, so they're little paper dolls. Okay, and we've got Rachel and Leah and Sarah from the Bible. I love that. Jacob, Isaac, so this must be Abraham. Really cool. So some little paper dolls to create a line, a family line, like the children of Israel. So I love that. Oh, and this is always fun because every time I get a box, they also include a little charm. And my first box, which was, I think the first one I got this year was Passover, Pesach, and they sent a little charm bracelet. Oh, I love it. It's the Torah scrolls. How cute is that? Oh man, that is so cute. And I'm gonna have to add them to the charm bracelet, and then I'll show you the whole bracelet when we're all done. And of course, it has a little booklet that shows the charms from each of the holidays. I'm pretty excited about that. That's super cute. Okay, now what is this? So this says, oh, we're making sukkah decorations. Okay, so we're basically making, we use these to make a chain. So you know how little kids, you do the paper and you make a ring and you hook them all together. And that's very traditional for a sukkah as part of the decorations. So they've made it really easy to do that and colorful. I like that. And this is to wave the Simchat Torah flag. So let's see, I guess we are making a flag. We've got the instructions, the information on how to make a flag. So let's just take a look at that so we can see what's in here. Okay, so, oh, a little flag with some little doors that open. Oh, I can see these would be a lot of fun for kids. And then we also often hang the flags around the top of the sukkah, and some little gold glitter. Ooh, it's gold. Okay, and so that will be fun to create a flag for our sukkah. And this would be, of course, a full-size sukkah, not a miniature one like my daughter and I are making. And then this, oh, the 4 species mosaic. And so there are 4 species of vegetation that are part of the sukkah. And so there's, let me show you here. It says, so there's the Arava, the Ertrog, the Lulav, and the Hadass. And so these must be all part of that. Okay, so that lists all of the 4 species. And I know last year we were working on making those as part of our miniature sukkah, and so we're going to have to finish those. I don't know if the sukkah itself took a while, so I don't think we got all 4 species done, but we can work on that. And so there's some more things. So all things to put in the sukkah, and then what we do is for those 8 days of the Feast of Tabernacles, we actually do things in the sukkah. In the past, we've done them where we eat in there, of course, have dinner and everything. We have bowls of fruit. We've gone in there to read scripture and just to have fun, and it's supposed to be real comfortable and fun. And then always with each box, there's always a link to look for more activities and find other fun things to do, and to share your own activities that you've done. And then light your sukkah with lanterns. Oh, this looks fun because there's even lights in there. And I think they're LED lights. That's going to be really cool. So as we use these, we will be sure to show you, and at the very bottom are 3 dowels. So I'm going to have to really read through and kind of figure out what they're all for, and then as we make some of these, I will show you. And of course, tune in with me on a future video where Kate and I put together our Barbie size, our miniature sukkah, and we'll show you something about that. And so I really like this particular Days United box for Sukkot or Feast of Tabernacles, and I hope that you prepare and have a wonderful Sukkot. See you next time.